In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF using 3 effective methods with Adobe Acrobat. Whether you need a clean slate for designing your custom document, want to convert an existing file, or integrate a scanned document, you'll find that Adobe Acrobat provides a robust set of tools to meet your needs. Let's start with creating a blank PDF document. First, navigate to your Acrobat homepage where you're going to click on See All Tools. This action will open up a menu of all the features available in Acrobat. From this array, you'll want to click on Create a PDF. Now you'll be given several options, and for this method choose Blank Page. After selecting it, proceed by clicking Create. When it opens, it's entirely blank, allowing you to express your creativity by adding any content you desire. To do this, click on Edit at the top of the screen. This will enable you to insert text and images onto your blank page. Once you've added everything you need, remember to click Save to store your document. After completing a project from scratch, let's say you have an existing single file you need to convert. Head back to the All Tools tab and once again click on Create PDF. This time, instead of a blank page, you'll opt for single file. This option is perfect for converting your document, spreadsheet or presentation into a PDF. Hit Create and select the file you wish to convert. Your chosen file will load into Acrobat. Finally, click on Save to preserve your newly minted PDF. Lastly, there's a method for documents that come from a scanner, a feature particularly useful for physical forms or letters you need to digitize and safeguard. Again, from the All Tools tab, select Scanner. Ensure your physical document is properly fed into your scanner. Follow the prompts to upload your scanned file directly into Acrobat. Like before, once the file is uploaded, click Save to ensure your document is stored securely. Each method provides a seamless way to work with different types of content, allowing you to produce professional PDFs that meet your documentation needs. Remember that saving your work at every step is crucial so you don't lose any adjustments or additions you make to your files. So there you have it, 3 straightforward methods to create PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. Whether crafting a new document, converting files, or scanning, Acrobat's versatile features are designed to streamline your workflow. Happy creating, and thank you for watching.